Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new tutorials, and today I'll show you how to make a trendy CV in Photoshop. So at first I'll take a shape. Already I made it, but I want to show you the process and steps how I made it. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first I took a shape and then I took another shape. You can change up the color for that. Suppose I want to provide here the color code BF and hit OK. And after that, another rounded rectangle you will get from this rounded rectangle or this rounded rectangle. You can take rectangle from here, you can draw that. And after that I'll take a shape, another shape, which is the circle, and that is the smart object. That is for your photo, and already I used here is stock photo. You can use your photograph. So how to change it up? Just double press over there, you can turn it off, and you can provide your photo going to the place embedded options. Suppose it could be your photo, and you can replace this one and you can provide over there. I want to replace with that, and hit the tick button and then cross it out and save it out. And after saving that, you have to clipping mask, otherwise it won't work. So right press and create clipping mask and then save it out. And after that you are getting your photographs, which is like corporate type photograph should be. And after that I used here a website like that, and then this one is our another phone number in the bottom, and then address, and then here person name. In this portion I'm using the reference portion, and another reference his or her email, and then phone number, and then address and person name too. So these two things actually the references. And then I'll use here the title, the main title like that reference, and then I used here icon, which is for the reference. Here is the group icon or your network icon, the reference icon. That's good. And then the job you have experience like 2013 to 15, that is your experience. Another experience is like that. Suppose you been a graphic designer in 2015 to 2020, and then another thing which is for the another job, that is the experience. So now the present job, that is 2020 to present, you are doing over there the senior web designer as like that. And here you got that the reference in a last portion, and the experience or job experience 3 to whatever, how many job you have done already or you involved in. And then the main title, for the title you should use the icon. So that is the job icon already used over there. So those things I should make the group like that. So already we covered the design, meaning the background, and then the in a background portion we got like our photographs and everything. And education in this portion we just got over there, say like a heading, and in this heading we are getting the icons. If I make it zoom, you'll get this one properly. So the icon, then the shape, and after that the title, and then university, that is the educational qualifications. So here education and the job what you have done already, and now that is the curriculum vitae. About you, actually about me, you can write down that. So here is also the icon and heading. Here is the heading like that. Here is icon and shape, and that is good. And that is the about section. So we covered up the design, actually the full design, and the reference, then job experience in down portion, and then education portion. So job experience, if I turn off this, If you need to change up anything, here is the option. You can change it up. So file or layer renaming is most important. You have to rename those things. And after that, in this portion, let's go to the left side. Here is some hobbies or everything like that. So here is the heading and everything. So here is the heading and the icons and the heading, hobbies and the shapes and the pointer actually. And reading book is another hobby, traveling and the playing chess, and that is the hobby portion. If I make it group, that's fine. The other thing, then language, how many language you know about that. Here is German, English, Spanish, French, and here is the shape. Those shape are for the indicator or the pointer, and you just used here. You can use here in heading portion, icon and the things, and beside the headings you can use that. So our language portion is done. And after that, here is another shape which is the indicator. Then how many skills you have. So here the parameter of the skills, up to the 10, how many you are make it marking that. So it could be Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or it could be other things. So Adobe Illustrator, how might you know, or the scale of the parameter, how many skills you have. So here is skills. In this heading you can use some text, icon and everything. So here is the skills portion done. And then after that, some location and addresses. Then if you have the portfolio website, your website.com, whatever your phone number it could be, and the contact with me, that is the portion of the contact with me. So after that, here your name, actually you are graphic designer, and your full name. So we got all the group like that. So we done our design. So background and the photos. So if I come from here, or if I turn it on, so full design or the background design, and then the references, after that the job experience, and then the education and the about section, and hobbies, then language and skills, then contacts, and finally your name. So your CV is done. So if you want to change up something, suppose I want to make this one little bit of changes, like ash color is good, and I want to little bit of provide here some contrast, suppose like this, not too much. So it could be the pastel type color, or it could be like that. It will add your CV in a contrast mode, or you can make those icon in a contrast mode. So how to do that? So references, in this portion, that is the shape, you can change up the shape color like this. Okay, that could be. And the job experience, in a heading portion, you can change up the background color, so like that. So icon, little bit of icon, it could change some contrast, it will provide the contrast in your CV. And don't use the warm color and too much vibrant color. The blue is good. Blue is for peacefulness and everything. So, and make consistency. Suppose you are using here blue and you are using here red, yellow, green. No, don't do that. If you want, you can use one color at a time, which is for the consistency. Okay, nice. And the skills, in a skills portion, in a heading portion, want to use that. And the contacts, okay, fine. So now you are getting these things is another vibrant and contrast things. So I would like to use in this shape to like that, which is really nice. Then the another one, so it will indicate the parameter properly. And you know that the parameter of how many parameter or marking I will give, or your employer will provide you. Suppose you know the English very well, you know the Microsoft skills up to 10 or like that. So that is the parameter actually. Okay, fine. So the CV, already you done that. So in this way, if you make your CV or design your CV, it could be a minimalist and the modern type CV. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.